In this video, I'll show you how to log out of the Binance app using the latest layout, step by step. First, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure you're on the home screen. If you're deep inside another menu, just tap the home icon at the bottom to get back. Now look for your profile icon at the top of the screen. It's usually a small person/avatar icon in the top left or top right corner. Tap it to open your account/profile page. On this page, you'll see your email, or UID, verification status, and security options. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this screen. There you'll find the button that says Log Out or Sign Out. Tap Log Out. Binance will show a short confirmation pop-up asking if you really want to log out of this device. Tap Confirm/Log Out. You'll be taken back to the Login/Welcome screen. And your account is now signed out of the Binance app. Next time you open it, you'll need to enter your email/phone, password, and 2FA code again to log back in. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.